Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Bless upon yourself first and foremost. A Wull on the attack. So over here, so to get the latest mix up and mix downs. So we have reliable news also. So what we are gonna do? We're gonna kick off everything with Ivany right now. So subscribe for not miss out. Here's me. Ivany since recently she get released from prison, here's me, so she not really show up herself like that, guys. Here's me. So what's new is that she and Neil with a talk on the low, which nobody never know. Isn't it? That kind of rhyme. But anyways, guys, so Neil sets up and post a next girl, cause we hear same have around two girls on the side. Isn't it? One bagel for them drama shits. But the thing is, Ivany kind of heartbroken, isn't it, from everything we are going. So she even repost back the video for sure, yeah, isn't it? And this is what Ivany did that for say, so I'm showing you the video later though. Ivany say, yo, this girl named Twinkle keep and post up my man up on her gram. If you never know me and him still there, well, not now that she has say, cause me not share no BBC me man with no big P girl. Twinkle can have him germs, the whole of uno. Yeah, say, yo, you can't if a next girl and hide me from come from jail, and me I tell you no, this F off and a deal with me. Me I got quote the 30, go up and pray when me go them lock me up back and dash you the key. So me now go see some germs like you me. Yeah. Also she say man free, less problem, and more positive vibes. So check out the vid. You me, so that. You see it here right here, so as you can see. You see me? Yeah, so if you look good at Ivany, repost it, guys. You see me? Yeah, and that for sure you all up in our feelings today. So assign you for signing him off and just call it a quits, guys. But over to our next video.
One of five lane jump out. Can't bother with it, you know. Everywhere I go, I not stress my case. Why not stress my out? Watch your fake page, them I roll out. Make me telling you this from now, you know. My black finger them is working. Okay? I am a soon-to-be wife. I am not in it with you guys. I'm going to block y'all. Okay? So that's not the long time Nikki anymore. But now I go argue. I'm back and forth with the no. So now I go make fake page till I'm tired. I remember say 4 to 5 days it take me for accept back people. So if anything I want from my page I'm not gonna miss it out, that depend on me now back and forth with no girl. I mean now back and forth with no boy for no fake page or no girl. You hear me I say? Because I got alone could I tell me say uno Christian. No matter no Christian, you know. Some man don't even have a birth paper. Man I ask you cause no matter killis and bring forth some killis people. What me couldn't so killis? Hey, the people them with me and them not talk. Them not see my page, me not see them for them page. Man now ask me not depend nothing for them. A girl or a boy cannot see me. I look on them story, I look on them page, in them comment, make no mistake and like nothing, because me not over there. Me not over there, you over there so, me over here so. Me ain't a friend and I decide there. So you can't make a mistake and say, oh, this bitch like, or this bitch view, or this bitch over my page, you are dead to me. And I hope that I am dead back to you. So no roll out on a fake page. You know, saying I argue, I just come talk strong, like overall, people ever feel like me I cuss them. I don't know. My father full up a bass. And my mother full up a treble. So in everything, I get this big strong song. My voice is just strong and people just feel like me cuss them. But what I came to talk about today is this product that I'm going to sell. You know So guys, about the wash, right? Let me tell you a story. on why I decided to really sell this wash. It's not out as yet. I mean, you see a lot of people order it. I like that. But, alright, I used to use Vagisil, right? And wash my kitty. However, I found out about Lactacid. I don't know if you guys know that brand. Find out about that. And I can't do the battery. They can't do me this. I want me to you. The one I want to ask for me from I get the ring though. Everywhere, every walks of life on the day. You ask for me. But not lie. Thank you guys. I'm not paying no mind. He's a big man. So yeah, back to my convo. It's a kitty wash, okay? So it's for your JJ. Yeah. So Lactacid is also a vaginal wash. So I buck up on Lactacid and I use the wash and it was okay. It was just only there for those, you know, we just use it for those get a look extra fresh. However, no, we're gonna do we'll just use the local wash and just make sure so we're extremely fresh right there. So that's how I know it. So I know about this. I use the pink one and it was okay to me until I use it till it done. I tell my friend about it till it done. So I never use it for a good when it done and then I'm gonna use Mega Mart and see it again. Right? So when I go Mega Mart now, I see this other one. I see it in a different color now. I see pink, I see purple, I see green. So I went ahead and I took one of the, I'm going to take, no, the purple one I did take first. So now I'm going to take a pink one. When I take the pink one now, I use it. So when I use it, it's like it give me this bad reaction. It's like I have this little weird odor. And it's like it just never agree with me. I just never like the discharge and the odor and all of that and whatever. So when I get the discharge now, I say it could be because of probably, you know, I rub my skin or I rub my skin, maybe I rub down this so. Because you can't have the brown body and down this so black. So I rub my skin. So I say it could be, it must be it. It can also be the cream. And I use near. I'm going to make mistake 1 and 2 times and near drop in there and near burn me out. Or sometimes just the fume, just the smell, just a little sweating, go down in there. So you know, I'm a lady. I always get the bacteria, right? So don't get this very sensitive. So I say probably I eat. Till I start to say, you know, say, I don't feel say that's something because I use the pink and the pink good. So I say probably that color is not good for me. That other color, we have a little cleat call it now. Yeah, the other one is not good for me. So I went ahead now. I'm gonna go to my doctor. She told me it's a regular BV. So no BV is her bacterial infection. So you know I'm taking pill and everything good, right? Alright. So now I saw it again. I'm gonna go back for the color when we did take the first time. So when we take the color the first time now, when we did have I go back go use the color there. So when I realize it's the same thing again. So I say, I not use but this rotted. I never know. But if it expire, I look expired date, no up, no nothing. I never use no cream down there, nothing. So I say, I definitely that's something. So I never use it back, right? So now, there was this girl that came to me with a business proposal long time now. Like she always come to me. But year and other, I say to her, say, I don't really see myself as a them because somebody for vagina. I can't bother to sit down and talk to nobody about them pum pum and them somebody. You get me? Me private about them stuff there. So I said no. However, she did come to me and said she have a bad wash and the bad this and the bad that. I'm if try a fight and whatever. So I say no what? I'ma try a fight my love. So when I call my doctor, right? You know, a corona, so you can't just walk in. I call her, made an appointment and everything. When I made the appointment and everything now, she said to me, say, she have a 4-date appointment. So I said, no, I need one now, because you know, a girl have a sexually active and so she said, no, that's the best date. So I said, okay, cool. Did now until it just run to my mind and say, why am I gonna try this? I'm said to myself, say, no, say, I love try it, that's why that reach you. However, I had this try, just see that bad, I just did feel yucky, I just did feel ewy, everything was just wrong. I just never like it. You get what I say? I'm not reading something, you know, because I know when I talk, I'm not reading. Come on, man. Yeah, some I never really like it. So, however, I said, I'm going to try the wash, it can't kill me. So I ended up trying the wash. And guys, I'm not exaggerate because I sell it because a long time she push it on for me and I've been said no. But you don't know, anytime I get nothing one nice, I have to just bring a tune. When I been about I'm about lip cream, I'm gonna drop my lip cream. When I've been bad, I'm about 100 different things, I'm gonna drop them because when I try them or whenever I use them, any product I have, I try it for myself. Once I try it for myself, I'm stubborn in any way. They say if me I use like if a new face product come out or something, I use it and it don't work on my face, I not sell it because if it not work for me, it not work for me. None of them people who use something and it just work. I'm stubborn. I call myself salt because when somebody everything will work for one person, me I gonna be the only one out of the lot where it just don't work for. You get what I say? So, anyways, I went ahead and I tried this wash, and to my surprise, the wash literally me not have no smell like the old smell gone. Me I expect say me use the washer. Me I expect say alright then me use this. It probably I go just me feel look fresher. I call it say just wash and you feel a little bit fresher. Me not expect say me not get no farmer smell. No farmer, nothing. So I said to myself, say a problem of mine. I not pay it no mind that I went time I use it like probably early in the morning. Down in the evening now. Because my mind just so weird. I realized that I'm not draining, nothing. I went ahead and I go in the bathroom and I use the tissue. I'm wipe it, look on the tissue and smell it. Yes, I'm that weird. So I did that and it not smell nothing. So I say, sometimes when I just believe in something, I feel like it a work. You just mind that I tell you, say, I know, say, I work, but I trick it a play, but you can't nothing go. So, I didn't know, I say, no, man, this look like it a go on. This look like it buzzy. However, I still wasn't sexually active because I'm still away from my doctor. So, I realized, say, I don't really have no problem no more. So, I'm expecting a wash to just wash out your pum-pum. I'm not lying. I'm not asking. I swear for my life, God killed me right now. For sure, I'm not lying. I swear for my life, God kill me. On the bed where I'm on right now, kill me, strike me dead. I'm not telling a lie, I swear. So, after, I'm not telling big lie there, because I remember, I'm not live for this, for fuck up my haters them yet, I'm not gonna feel like shit, Remember, I'm not do that yet. I'm not make God kill me for this, a lie, for one wash, my love. I'm not dead for one wash. So, however, now, I didn't know I mean a problem of mine. Some of the day I smell. It is literally fresh. When I say fresh, no smell, nothing at all. Fresh and it's a wash. Remember I did post it and I tell me say no wash could do that. I never ask on it. It's a wash. So I not expect that. I don't know what going way up, but me know whatever is coming out or whatever the right at the end. Come never push up my finger up in my pum pum. Whatever with the outside at the end right there so was very, very fresh. I'm not exaggerate. I'm not lie. As I tell you, say God kill me. God kill me and the whole of my family them. I'm not ask you. So I say, oh, how can a wash be so bad? However, I'm still waiting on my appointment date. So therefore, she didn't just give me a wash. She gave me a wash. She gave me the pum pum pill them. She gave me a steam. She gave me one pearl. I get all of them stuff there, right? So overall, I know a lot of people sell wash. Can I use wash for like three different company? And I don't know, you just minty. And for me minty, I just eat that. I don't know. I don't do nothing for me like nothing buzzy. So I was not expecting a wash to do none of that. I swear. So when I see it fresh now, I say, if the wash so fresh, can you imagine the pills? However, so I use the pill them, right? I got 14. Me know normally you use one pill a day. She said that I should use it 2 times for the day. So one in the evening, one in the night. I use it in the evening, I'm using it in the night. So, tell us, I tell you, laptop see there. Yeah, see there. And I never know in a long time something I talk about recently. Yeah, so after that now I realize I said to myself, so I'm use my pill because me want go back active. You get what I say? I'm out too long, I lock down the shop too long and the shop lock. So I kind of want to open back the shop. So I just want to hurry up and just do what I do. However, I'm still wait for her. So I use the pill them and push them up 2 times. Yeah? Alright then. The wash name I go with me, I go sell it. And me I go sell the wash now, yeah. So guys, me tell you this, anytime I book nothing, I'm say it bad. Bear in mind, I'm going to sell it. So, want me to say it bad? I sell it because I've tried a lot of stuff and it do not work. So, however, when I try the pills, I'm going to push up the pill them and whatever. My sis say, alright, well, fresh, well, nice. Everything just nice, man. I like nice, bad. So I just did just in love with them product here. I say, sometimes I'm not really hear what people, because sometimes some people really have some good intentions, and some people can really go on that little advice that were good enough. Sometimes I have to listen on people. Not everybody come in your way and come in your path because God send well if people too sometimes God lead us some right path sometimes I'm just hear them out. Well sometimes you